What you're seeing is Cube, a magic-centered game created by Audiokinetic. But what you're hearing was not created by Audiokinetic. All of the sounds that you're hearing were made from scratch using an analog modular synthesizer system. The goal was to delete and rebuild Cube's audio from the ground up and to use only analog gear to recreate it. The sounds were made primarily using oscillators and filters from the matriarch and passing them through beads before recording into Audacity. Here's an example of the fireball spell with different layers for casting, the fireball's flight, and the fireball's impact. These files are then imported into Audiokinetic's Wise, where they are assigned their in-game cues. Here's another example of the same process for the poison bubble spell. Layers are flattened and imported, this time using Wise's randomizer to add variance. Here's a comparison of the original sounds to my recreated ones. Back to my version. As you can hear, there are different footstep sounds for different materials, and the teleporter emits its sound. And picking up magic gems. The goal of this project was to create immersive sound effects using minimal tools. Mainly, I wanted to avoid using existing samples from sound libraries. Oh, and the music that's been playing this whole time I also made. Similarly, only using the aforementioned synth setup. That's it. Thanks for watching.